So, welcome back once again to the CryptoBot channel. I hope you guys are liking the content. I have been going through the comment section and thank you so much for appreciating the content. I will keep trying my best to, bring on good quality content and give you guys a good insight on what's going on in the cryptosphere and, also some potential entries as well, some good trades as well, good trade setups. I have already given you a few trade setups. So if you're looking for a Solana trade setup, you should watch this video till the very end and you will have a good insight of like where to buy Solana. Okay, so we have this Sol chart in front of me. It is a daily time frame. So what we do is basically, first of all, we look for the major support levels, the historical support levels, so where we can find them. Okay, so there was a support, but we don't need that anymore. However, I see a support here. Let me just draw it here. Let me just give you an overview of what happened to the Solana. So past year, 6th November 2021, Solana made its all-time high. However, since then, Solana has been making the lower highs, which is a bearish scenario. You can see that. Now when you see this one, however, this one is a higher high. It's not a lower high, it's a higher high compared to this one. However, if you compare it to the overall market trend, it is still a lower high. Most of the people, those who doing the analysis and those students, they get confused when they see something like that. It just changed the short-term momentum. You see that there was a resistance. It did not clear that place. It is still below that place. So that is useless higher high. However, it's a higher high just compared to this one. Okay, so that was a scenario. What happened, it just printed a higher high, then it should have printed this like something like here, then it should have gone upside, then this, then this. That should have been the structure that we should have expected. However, that did not happen due to some reasons, some Bitcoin reasons, because Bitcoin dominates. So we are not going to worry about that. We're going to look for the opportunities and find some good trade setups. So as you can see right here at this place is a support level. However, we can, let me just check the fibs. What if we use the fibs here? Can we get something? Yes, I think I would get something around this place. So this one, perfect. So now you can see that this level is perfectly aligned with 1.618, which is the golden pocket of the Fibonacci retracement numbers. So we can conclude, we can get a perception that this is a good support level for the Solana for our time frame. And it's a good time frame if you are analyzing thing in the immediate short term as well as a little bit longer terms for like few months. You can use 4 hour time frame as well. So I will just quickly delete this and I will take you deeper into the analysis. So this has always been my strategy, that I always start from a bigger time frame. I see an overview, overall trend, market structure and things like that. So I can see almost a very same pattern repeating in most of the coins, like this one. You see this pattern. I don't know how many of you have noticed it yet. This you see, this was a support level, 1 2 3 4 taps, and these were the stop losses somewhere around here. Those people who enter their trades here, they put their stop losses here, and now what they did, the market makers did, they just hunted their stop losses and now hitting the major support levels. Now they might be planning to move it upwards or downwards, I don't know, but whichever the direction it goes, I want you to open your trades to that side. I will give you some setups that are that are fundamentally strong and not risky. So let me just write it down. Major support levels. So when I'm writing major support level, that definitely means it's a major support, and you can buy it here if you are looking to buy it for longer terms, like few years, if you do not plan to sell these beautiful assets. And something like Solana, I think you should not be even thinking of selling the Solana. So now talking about the current scenario, the local time frame 1 hourly, you can see that there's a formation of somehow an irregular, let's say, head and shoulder pattern. You see that this could be the neckline of this pattern. If this pattern is to break towards the upside, it should have a target exactly at this place. That's just I'm saying that. Now let's see. Well, there you go. It has a target actually to this place. What is this place? Let me show you. This is the trend line that is acting as a resistance for Sol. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is gonna be 5th time. So if you want to take a position at this place, let me just quickly grab EMA. Well, you can see that it's 200 EMA right above this place. So two things. If this head and shoulder pattern breaks and you want to jump in the trade, that would be a mistake also. What you need to do is you need to act smart, stay vigilant, wait for this thing to be broken upside. This price action, it goes above that, it gives you a retest on 200 moving average. That's the place you enter, you open your long position there. However, not suggesting you to open a long, that's your personal choice. Manage your risk to reward ratio, open your trade up to this place. Quick few $100 or a few $1,000 depending upon your portfolio. So that's a trade setup. If you wanna consider it, it's completely your choice, because this video is just for an educational purposes. Okay, so I think that should be it for today's video about Solana. So you can comment about what coin you are interested in what coin you want me to analyze in my next video. So if you haven't subscribed the channel, make sure you subscribe the channel and like the video, and thank you so much for watching the video till the end. See you in the next video.